Hey guys, Mials here doing the Sprite challenge with 600 mils of Sprite, full proper Sprite with sugar in it.
Hey, I'm Xavier and I'm doing the Sprite challenge. 600 milliliters of Sprite and a bunch of sugar.
Alright, let's give it a crack. Ooh. Do you want help? Wait, no.
I'm strong.
Ooh.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Already feeling a build up. Oh. Sugary. I'm scared.
I'm feeling it. I'm swallowing the burps down. I pass halfway.
Already? Seriously? I'm like a third, a quarter maybe.
My stomach, I gotta finish it.
Keep going, bud. Oh, I can feel it building up. Oh, I hate this.
My stomach hurts.
Don't make me laugh, because then you're gonna probably make me burp. Oh. I think I'm almost halfway. Halfway. Oh God.
Oh no. My stomach. Keep going. I got so close. Oh my God. Go Mia. Go Mia.
Almost 2/3 done.
Chug. Chug. Don't laugh me a swallow. Chug.
Oh God, it's hurting in the ribs.
Oh, Mia.
Oh, I hate that. Oh.
Mia, go.
Oh, it's hurting.
Don't think about it. Just keep going. Just keep going, Mia. Oh no. Keep going, Mia.
It's physically hurting. Oh.
Just keep going.
Oh God.
Keep going. Just keep going.
I don't think I can. It's literally physical. It's hurting.
Oh, come on. I finished mine. God,
I think I might. It's in there, but it won't come out. That's why it's hurting.
They keep drinking.
Like, I feel like I'm gonna throw up.
Don't throw up. Come on, just keep drinking. Oh no, just go, Mia. Oh, it's so close.
I know, but it literally hurts.
Go. Just go. Lift your head up. Go. Come on, keep on going. You're so close. Yeah.
Oh, it feels. Oh. I can feel something coming out, but it won't come out.
Yeah, just chug it. Come on. Lift your head up. One more. Lift your head up. Don't, you're so close. You're so close. Come on, Niels.
Oh, it hurts.
Yeah. Just one more swig. Hey!
Oh, that hurts. Oh. I hate that. Thanks for watching. I haven't burped yet. I'm suffering. This hurts. I might throw up. I drank all the Sprite. It hurts in my head. It hurts in my ribs. It hurts in my stomach. I haven't burped or thrown up yet. I'm gonna do one or the other and maybe pass out. Have a good day, everyone, because I am not.